This is a video regarding some night vision for a computer during astrophotography. I had been using the wrong icon or program for my night vision. Usually I just go in and go to the settings and type in night vision or night light, and I can turn it on and everything gets red, which was fine. It's just not red enough. I'm going to turn it off. So there is another way. This item right here, you can do a dim red and it dims it some, but there's no adjustment. And I was using it with the night light on the computer, but it still wasn't dark enough, in my opinion. But I had forgotten about this one right here. It's called Backyard Red, and you can do the slider and get it as red as you want to help your night vision. I'm going to put it back into the lowest setting, and it works with any program you bring up. For instance, if I brought up ASI Studio and I wanted to open up a program, let's just open up that one. I don't have any cameras connected, so it's probably going to give me an error, but you can do that. And I think this program has a night vision also, but it's nice to be able to adjust your preferences. And say you open up Nina. Do the same thing in Nina. You can adjust the brightness you want. PhD. Oh, I need to update, don't I? Same thing. You can do that. Fire capture, you can do the same thing in fire capture. If I open it, it's going to tell me I ain't got a camera, but it will work. It works fine. And another feature I have on here is this collimation feature. Astronomy Shed has video on how to use a webcam in his Newtonian to precisely get collimation, and it's a good source and I've used it. But with this item, it's an overlay, and you can make it bigger, and you can change the circles amount and size and overlay your view through your eyepiece when you're using the webcam, and it helps you get your mirror, your secondary mirror, completely round, and it helps align your primary mirror. I also use it on my Smith-Cassegrain SCT telescope, whereas to collimate that, you defocus a star to the point that it's a donut, and then I adjust the circles over the star to make sure that this inside of the donut is a perfect circle and the outside of the donut is a perfect circle by doing the collimation screws. You may have to move this as you do your adjustment on a Smith-Cassegrain telescope, but you need to try to keep your defocused star in the center of your window, and as you move the secondary adjustment screws on the primary secondary mirror, it will make the star move off a little bit. So this comes in real handy on doing that. Well, that's all I had. A little short video. So clear skies, y'all. Take care.